Camera test tayo ngayon. So we are shooting this video using the Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, which is right here, one of the gadgets that we are currently reviewing. We're also reviewing the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, so watch out for that. But in the meantime, kung hindi nyo napansin, we just posted a new video last night. This is about the Samsung Galaxy A series. So kakalabas lang nito ni Samsung worldwide, consisting of the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G, Galaxy A73 5G, and Galaxy A33 5G. So these are all 5G phones, mid-range to upper mid-range yung spec. So in the meantime, enjoy this video. We're just gonna be unpacking some stuff that I ordered from Shopee during the 315 sale. So we are shooting this video using the front-facing camera. Kung mapapansin nyo, medyo wide siya. Actually, for me, it's wider than usual, and I had to really move the tablet closer to me kasi otherwise ang liit ko, parang ganyan, 'di ba? Yan yung mga 3 feet, okay? So sa ganitong length, medyo yan, natatouch ko na yung tablet. So this is default settings. I'm just using natural light. Well, merong isang ring light yan, pero hindi yan yung key light natin. Galing lang sa window. Tapos, ayan, kasi alam ko naman, majority of you will be using this for video calls and for, TikToks and short videos. So it's not, hindi kayo you're not going to be bothering with a studio setup or studio light. So, yan, maganda naman yung video so far sa nakikita ko. Alright, so this is from JG Superstore. So natin. Actually, hindi ko na alam kung ano yung mga pinag-order ko, no? I just checked out some of the stuff that I've been collecting since January. Okay? Kasi ito yung first major sale at we wanted to take advantage of the discounts. So supposedly, this tablet has 2 mics. So let's observe the audio. Malutong ba? Uy, what's this? Ah, okay. I ordered this vlog ball head, panoramic ball head from Ulanzi. And there is a warranty certificate. Nice. I think nakuha ko to ng mga 1.1 or mga ganong presyo. I just wanted a decent ball head kasi nahirapan ako sa current ball head ko, medyo masikip na siya. Luma na kasi. And I wanted something that was small and portable. But in terms of portability, medyo mabigat siya, which is in a way good, no? Kasi it means it uses solid steel or iron. Hindi ko alam kung what exactly yung material niya. Basta mabigat siya. Hindi siya yung hollow aluminum. Kasi kung aluminum yan, magaan lang yan. So ayan, nakabak siya. Pakita natin. Okay. Kunwari nagpa-product vlog tayo. Let's see if it can focus on the subject. Kaya ba? Parang hindi masyado. Yan. Lapit pa natin. Parang hanggang dyan lang yung focusing depth or focusing distance niya. Anyways, ganda, solid, authentic, ano naman siya, high quality, maganda yung pagkaka-machine. And pinili ko to because of this. Okay, this should allow us to like pan or anong tawag doon? Do a smooth panorama shot. Kasi hindi ko alam paano siya luwagan. Meron ba kayong ganito? Meron ba sa inyong may ganito? Turuan nyo na lang ako. Ayun, ito pala siya. Ayan. So, ayan. Okay. Medyo tight pa siya, no? So, yung mechanism niya medyo parang hydraulics. Okay. Para smooth yung ano natin. pag pan or whatever you call this, yung rotation. Okay, ayan. Tapos ito, syempre, will allow you to switch from portrait to landscape quickly. And yung maganda dito, meron siyang additional na tawag dito, parang hot shoe mount kung maglalagay tayo ng external mic, which I don't really use pero okay na rin. So, yon, meron siyang kasamang accessories. Parang ayoko na siyang buksan, katamad eh. Okay. Ano lang siya, mga tools to like remove this and ano ba? I think you can detach this and move this here para dito yung rotation. Okay, dito manggaling. Hindi ko lang sure kung para saan itong parang ano dito, ito, yan. Yan, okay. Close up. Medyo kinakapos si Tab S8 Plus. Hindi siya makapag-focus masyado. Nasa arm's length yung kanyang ideal focusing distance. So, wala siyang kung kailan kailangan natin ng ng manual. Walang manual. Alam niyo sa channel natin, hindi tayo nagbabasa ng manual, pero feeling ko sa gantong cases, kasi araw-araw naman tayong nagre-review ng mga gadgets, but this is something new to me. I wanted to like figure out how to switch yung position nitong ball head, or ito to. Yan. Anyways, that's that for now. Tabi muna natin siya. At meron pa tayong isang kakalikutin. Ano naman to? Time more. Uy. It's our new scale. Coffee scale. Dumating na siya. Scale black. Oops. Galing natin to. Time more coffee scale. Bought this for 2 something. So yung current scale ko kasi niregalo sa akin ng wife ko. Hindi siya medyo maliit yung surface area niya, and as a result, pagka gumagawa ka ng espresso shots, hindi siya nasasalo. Okay, hindi nasasalo nung scale yung dalawang cups. So I needed something bigger, something wider yung surface area ng scale. Sirain na natin. I also wanted yung ability to automatically measure or start measuring the weight on first drop ng espresso. Kasi otherwise, mag-manual ka, okay, you have to manually punch or activate the measuring. Tapos syempre mas accurate yung time more. Kasi built talaga siya for espresso and for coffee. Hindi lang naman espresso, for pour overs, ganun. And wow, meron siyang meron siyang customization specific from Timor Philippines. So there's a quick start guide. I wasn't expecting na merong ganito, pero maganda yung may gantong mga notes. Tapos meron siyang official link to the official sites, Lazada, Shopee, Facebook. Pero yung Lazada link niya is sa official website hindi sa Lazada page Anyways, that's what the package looks like. You have this rubber pad, pang salo ng kape or pang salo ng Yun. Okay. So that the cup doesn't get into direct contact with the scale. And this is the scale. Note, do not use alcohol and other organic solvents to wipe it. There's a warning. Okay? Mas maganda siguro kung mas nakaka-focus yung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, no? And here we go. Yan. Alright, so this is our time more. Ano nga ba color nito? Isa black. Dalawa kasi siya. Ito yata yung ano, noir or lunar. Ay, akaya pala yun. Iba pala yun. Basta yun. Yung isa kasi white eh, di ba? Ayun, Black Mirror. Ayan, nasa gilid. Black Mirror. Like the Netflix show. So we have the power button. Sorry, ito. Power button. So you can, ito yung pair, tsaka standby mode. Ito yung weight display. Ito yung time. You can set auto timing, tapos may audio din siya. So may volume display. Battery life. And this one allows you to toggle the sound, the audio. This one allows you to toggle auto mode, and this one lets you pause the timer and reset the timer. Okay, so time, wait, solid build quality, nice. This is the basic plus. Okay. So in a way, mabuti at hindi tayo kumuha last year ng Time More na basic. Kasi naglabas sila ng basic plus. So main difference between Time More basic and basic plus is that with the basic plus wala siyang physical buttons. Yung basic kasi meron na nakangat. So ayan. Let's calibrate for a bit. Let it rest. Or nakakalibrate na siya. Hindi eh. So it's reading 1.4. Ayan, nag-0 na siya. So, nag-pair na siya. Alright, so yun siya guys. Check it out. Sa mga mahilig sa kape dyan, pour over espresso. I love it because mas yung buong ano niya, yung buong surface is the scale, no? Ayan, no? Kahit na saan ka mag-press dyan, mag-register yung weight. Try natin itong SD card. Ayan. Okay, 0, 1.7. Okay, so that's our quick demo for the Galaxy Tab S8 Plus front-facing camera. Abangan nyo yung review ng ating Galaxy S22 Ultra. Once again, wait. Hindi natin ginagawa yung spiel na yun dito kasi vlog lang to. Pero kung may tanong kayo, just drop them in the comment section. Alright, bye!